Hi, this is Nick Astor with TriplePundit.com. I'm here with Scott Wicker. He is the Chief Sustainability Officer for UPS. Thanks so much for joining me, Scott.
You're welcome. Glad to be here.
Thanks. Now, we were really excited about a year ago when UPS created this position, the Chief Sustainability Officer. We've spent a lot of time wondering what it takes to imbue the idea of sustainability into an organization. Clearly, grassroots employee efforts matter, but at the end of the day, it's that top-level buy-in that we've found that is really necessary to make things happen. Tell me a little bit about the position and where it came from and what your goals are.
Well, the position really came as a part of the evolution of sustainability at UPS, and as we've matured our sustainability program over the years, what we've realized was that giving some real clarity to our governance structure has really helped. So our CEO and COO, Scott Davis and David Abney, both decided that one of the things we needed to do to give real clarity both internally and externally to our program was to create this office of Chief Sustainability Officer. And I got to tell you, it's really done a lot. It's helped our employees understand that we're serious about sustainability, and that's one thing we want to project to, certainly to our employees, but also to the public and our stakeholders, that we are very serious about sustainability. Mm-hmm.
That's great. Now, at a company that has this tremendous fleet of trucks and airplanes and all sorts of different transportation, obviously a big chunk of sustainability is going to be how do we optimize that fleet to use it more efficiently. Tell us a little bit about how you are using data to make that happen.
Well, you touched on a key fact, and optimizing your fleet is very key. And the key for us in optimizing our fleet is the simple fact that we have one integrated network at UPS. So as we look for the most efficient way to move your goods from, say, LA to Atlanta, we can take your products and move it from aircraft to trucks, from trucks to train, and from trains to ship fluidly across our network. So, that ability allows us to always be picking the most efficient route. We also use data in our technologies that we've deployed in our facilities and in our vehicles to ensure that we only send the right amount of vehicles on the road every day, so that we load them so that they're full. I mean, obviously we can have the most efficient vehicles on the road, but if we're half empty, that's not very efficient, and you're not optimizing and taking full use of the vehicle that you have.
That's great. We all know the famous left-hand turn story.
Yeah.
Might even be a cliche at this point, but can you tell us some of the other specific things that you've managed to optimize that have really seen returns in terms of either improved safety and specifically fuel efficiency?
Yeah, good question. And the left-hand turn, certainly that's something that has really stuck with our customers and our stakeholders and our employees. And that is really just a small component that's come out of a technology that we're deploying in our vehicles all across the country. Matter of fact, we'll complete the deployment at the end of 2012 on our U.S. domestic ground delivery fleet. We're also now moving that internationally as well. It's a technology that we call telematics, and it allows us to ensure that our vehicles travel the most efficient routes every day. It gives us the ability to see when a driver is operating the vehicle properly and in a safe manner. So we're with this one technology, we're finding ways to reduce the miles that we travel. We can understand where we may not be running the vehicle in its most efficient manner. So we're reducing miles, and we're making the job of delivering the packages safer for our drivers. So it's just a great system all the way around.
And once we see, it's a ongoing puzzle certainly. But what's next after efficiency? Do we have any new fleet announcements, electric vehicles, any new technologies that might be incorporated in the near future?
Well, when you think about advanced technology vehicles, we've got our hand in pretty much all the different types that are out there today, from all electric to hybrid hydraulic, compressed natural gas. Here at the conference today, we've got a liquefied natural gas UPS tractor. So we're trying all of the different types of technologies, and the reason why we're trying them all is because there is no one technology that works across the world for all of our types of needs. All electric works good in a downtown area where you don't have range anxiety. Hybrids work well in the suburbs. Compressed natural gas works very well when you have more miles to drive. And then liquefied natural gas is the only technology today available to power our big over-the-road long-haul vehicles. So we'll continue to focus on that. Look, being efficient is what we're all about. It's been in our DNA since the beginning. It will always be a key focus at UPS to make our one integrated network the most efficient it can be.
Thanks so much for your time, Scott.
You're welcome. Thank you. Cheers.